Welcome to GovSavings. Today we're going to look at a new tool that finally proves exactly how much money community organizations save the government. Let's start by meeting your new best friend, the AI Actuary. If you've ever felt intimidated by financial modeling, this AI is designed specifically for you. You don't need a math degree to use it. You can just ask it simple questions in plain English, like, how did my food pantry save the city money? And it acts as a supportive mentor, explaining the exact value of your hard work without hiding behind confusing spreadsheets. So where is this AI getting its answers? It all starts with government data. When you tell our platform where you are working, we don't just guess the demographic. We take your 5-digit zip code and instantly map it to an exact 11-digit census tract. From there, we pull down real-time data from the U.S. Census Bureau and the CDC's Social Vulnerability Index. This tells us exactly what the poverty levels and health risks look like on your specific neighborhood block. Once we know where you are, that data feeds directly into your nonprofit dashboard. This clean, multi-tenant interface provides an immediate feedback loop. At a glance, you can see your net system savings, your organization's return on investment, and the localized risk profile of your specific community. Because the interface is decoupled from the back-end calculations, your data stays strictly isolated and secure. But how do we calculate that final dollar amount? Our actuarial engine uses a highly rigorous, yet easy-to-understand formula built on 3 pillars. First is the immediate subsidy offset. Simply put, if you provide a meal or a bed, that is a unit of service the government didn't have to buy. We multiply your volume by the state's baseline cost for that unit. Second is acute crisis avoidance. Using that local CDC health data, like the neighborhood's lack of insurance or poor physical health, we calculate the exact probability that an at-risk family was going to end up in the ER or face an eviction this month. Then, we calculate the savings of avoiding those costly emergencies. Third is the churn reduction value. When you help a vulnerable family keep their state benefits from lapsing, you save the state a massive administrative headache. We apply a mathematical vulnerability multiplier here, meaning you get a higher financial credit for successfully retaining the hardest-to-reach populations. To get all of this incredible data, you only have to fill out one simple form. There is no jargon here, just 7 basic questions. What is your zip code? How many people did you help? And what did it cost you to deliver the service? The admin's backend engine takes care of all the complex multipliers and government baselines automatically. You just log your activity and hit calculate. Once your data is logged, the practical applications are game-changing. With one click, you can download your monthly impact into a clean CSV file. You can use these audited, deterministic metrics to apply for social impact bonds or outcomes-based grants. You can put this data on your public-facing donation page to show philanthropists that for every dollar they give you, you are returning $3 to the local economy. And finally, for our government partners, this platform changes how cities fund public health. Through the admin portal, governments can watch a live stream of interventions happening across their city. Instead of just handing out block grants and hoping for the best, budget offices can finally identify and reward the specific nonprofits that are mathematically proven to reduce the burden on local emergency services. GovSavings isn't just tracking charity, it's proving the financial power of community care.